Good afternoon. Looking at the chart of Tesla, 1 hour chart of Tesla, and this is the channel, bullish channel that we are traveling here side by side, higher highs and higher lows. It is continuous to make. Today it ended up at 442 and took out that previous resistance here almost. This is the resistance at 445. It hasn't been to 445 yet, but tomorrow we expect hopefully this may break. So this is the ascending channel that Tesla is caught into here. And if you look at it, the daily chart, this looks like this is the cup-shaped pattern that Tesla came out and broke out here at 361, and it started going up into this channel, which is holding pretty well now. So let's take a look at 15-minute chart that it's much more clear what this live action is. Today, yesterday, Tesla broke down a little bit and it came down to 425, had some weakness in it, and then ultimately it met some the buyers came in and it started rounding it up. It broke down a little bit here to 433, and then it ended the day strong and finished at 442. So if this resistance goes, we are looking at Tesla at 469, 470 in the next few days. If this is any indication, because this is the top that had resistance here 444 or 442. It hasn't achieved it yet, but 442 it did today. And now it's very little resistance left. All these people are now not a resistance here who have bought or sold, because now they can sell it here and it still be profitable. They're not losing money here. So this is the dynamics of it right now. Even if we look at it on a weekly basis, this is what Tesla has been doing. Uh, the weekly chart also shows the same thing. A little bit spikes here, which was the highest 488, and now we're just a tad below at about 40 points below is the highest that we have seen. In relation to the stock market, Tesla is performing well. The market wasn't that great today. It has pulled back a little bit. SPX, if you look at it, was touching now is 9-day EMA. And so it is not anything that the stock market is turning down. It is just the continuation of the pattern, higher highs and higher lows. Red candles today was a red day, unfortunately. NDX, take a look at it. Also the same way, a little pullback here to the 9-day EMA and nothing more. It's not turning down. It's not going to sell off. None of those things. Let's take a look at one more important thing, WIX, and the WIX was down to 16.8. And let's take a look at a 15-minute chart in WIX. So it went up here to 17 and just crashed towards the end of the day at 16.33. The market is still in a very good shape. We are looking at it here at WIX low under 20. SPX is still at 9-day moving average. So we are in tandem with a lot of things here, and Tesla is performing accordingly into the market. There's no divergences or anything. But SLA, let's take a look again. The daily chart is confirming, and we expand this thing a little bit, and you can see it's a nicely done pattern here. It's a bullish channel. It should break out tomorrow. Hopefully, if it does, we will see 669, 67. And if it ever happens, it sells off, that you have this wick here, which is at 402, 405, and a gap which can get filled. But it is highly unlikely that this may happen. We won't know till the trading day starts tomorrow. And we're looking forward to Tesla continuing this pattern to the upside. And with that, I conclude today's video. If you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.